Good morning, friends. Welcome to goonlinetrainings.com. We are going to be starting data analytics using Power BI classes from today. Every month, we are going to be having a fresh batch only on first of every month morning, 8 o'clock. The fresh batch is going to be there. And three classes will be the demo today and tomorrow and day after tomorrow. Same meeting ID, same time we are going to be, connecting. And we don't have any offline classes in Hyderabad. We are from India, Hyderabad. We have only online classes all over the world. If you're not able to attend online classes, daily recorded videos will be uploaded. You can watch these videos and connect with me one to one for the doubts clarification sessions, right? So three classes will be there. So we are going to be, having very basic level to advanced level of concept. We're going to be discussing data analytics course can be useful for the non-IT people, any age, any qualification people, BA, BCom, BSc, MTech, BTech, civil engineering. I have a 10 years of gap in insurance sector. I'm a housewife for 10 years. I don't have any proper income. I'm only getting 20, 30,000 rupees per month. I wanted to increase my salary. I wanted to learn the course by sitting at home. So I cannot come to Hyderabad. I cannot stay in the hostel. So nothing to worry about it. Simply, you can learn data analytics using Power BI, which is a hot skill into the IT industry now. Without coding, without your age, without any qualification, you will be able to easily get into data analytics using Power BI. Minimum 3 months, daily 2 to 3 hours you need to practice. We are going to be having 1 hour live class. Remaining 2 to 3 hours of practice you need to have at your home. You have to have proper internet connectivity, proper laptop you need to have. What is the laptop configuration? I will be able to tell you. So anybody can learn data analytics, any qualification, BA, BCom, BSc, distance education, or a regular college, BTech. Three times you have failed and fourth time you have passed. You have a 10 years of gap in your education. Anything, whatever be the case, doesn't matter, you will be able to easily crack the interview. So recent, success story, I wanted to share it with you. His name is Mr. Mukesh from Delhi, Noida, Gurgaon. He has done his BSc distance education. He got a job just 2 days back. Designation is a BA developer, Power BI data analyst role. He was working for a company 10 years and earning 8 lakhs as a data entry guy. And now he got almost double the salary. Within 6 months, he is able to crack the job. Right? Always I say, recession is a temporary, skill is permanent. Even though you have a PG or PhD, there is no use. Many PG guys, many people who have scored 90% in their degrees or the in their PGs, they're able to earn only 20, 30,000 rupee jobs. Now with our skills, non-IT people also getting 16 and 20 more than double, triple salary packages. I have given lot of success stories. This is the recent success story. I would like to share it with you. If you wanted to talk to him directly, I will invite him probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow. You can directly talk to Mr. Mukesh Srivastava. He will be able to tell his success story. He said, Sir, since I'm having a distance education, I think many people are rejecting me. Sir, since I'm having 10 years of non-IT field, I thought that many people are rejecting my profile. I said, no, only you concentrate on the skill, nothing more to worry. Then he said, okay, sir, let me again concentrate. He failed at least 5 to 10 rounds of interview. 11th round, he has cracked it with 16 lakhs of salary package. So, what is important today? Skill is important, not your age, not your qualification, not your past 10 years of education gap. You may be housewife, maybe a insurance agent, maybe a school teacher, maybe you're running own business, right? So one more guy called Akshay, he was running his own bakery for almost 12 years, 2012 passed out guy, BTech mechanical guy, he was running his bakery from Pune. That guy joined last year, September, and he was earning only 20,000 rupees per month from his bakery in Pune. He is in at the age of 35, 36. He came, sir. I'm not married because I don't have a proper income. I cannot do trials and errors today. Tell me, is there anything I can learn? So recession is going on. I told him, no problem with the recession and everything. You pick up this skill. That guy got a job. You know how many offer letters he got it? First offer letter with 12 lakhs, second offer letter with 16 lakhs, third one with 21 lakhs, fourth one with 27 lakhs salary package. He got it plus 3 lakhs bonus. He got it with 3 months of training program. That guy is earning 30 lakhs in Pune today. So 3.5 years of experience is showcased. And within 6 months, he cracked 4 5 offer letters. 30 lakhs is a salary package. He got married this year, April. And that guy is now telling me, sir, an entire year income was 2.4 lakhs per annum. Now my every month income is what? 2.5 lakhs per month. Now, what is that it changed? Only the a skill, not his qualification, not the age, nothing, right? So lot of things I can tell. I will share you this offer letter also. I have shown you this offer letter, right? I cannot record it. I will be able to share this offer letter as well. Just listen to see this offer letter. So anybody can become anything. Only thing is that if you have a proper mentor in your life, right? Many people are intelligent in this world, but only intelligence alone is not going to work until and unless you have a proper mentor, proper guru in your life. By watching YouTube videos, you cannot become an expert. By watching YouTube videos, you cannot reduce your weight. By watching YouTube videos, you cannot become a doctor. Right? By watching YouTube videos, you cannot become a judge or a lawyer, or you cannot become an engineer. Right? So don't only watch YouTube videos, you will become nothing in this world. Right? And don't ever say that I'm having 10 years of gap, 15 years of gap, or I'm intelligent, I'm not intelligent, I don't have proper knowledge. Don't worry about it. Finalize one good guru and finalize one proper mentor. He will be taking care of many things. You should not be worried which course I should choose, I know which institute I should choose. No, don't worry about institutions, don't worry about brands. Choose one proper doctor. Doctor can take care of you, or choose a proper lawyer, one proper lawyer, proper doctor, proper teacher in your life you need to have. Otherwise, if you're simply following everybody in your life, you will be losing lot of opportunities. YouTube cannot be your mentor. So YouTube can give you a lot of opportunities. It does not mean that you will follow only YouTube and you will decide one course and YouTube videos are following means you will not become an expert. I'm telling you, you cannot construct a bridge by seeing YouTube videos. You cannot become an expert there. You will have the rough idea or the basic idea. End of the day, you need to join one good institution and you will be able to take the proper course. You cannot learn anything within 5 days. Learn SQL in 5 hours. Right? Can you learn English in 21 days? There are a lot of books are published. Learn English in 21 days. How many people have learned English in 21 days? You are not able to learn, right? So how can you learn anything in 1 month? So learn SQL in 24 hours. Learn SQL in 1 month. So can you learn SQL in 1 month or Power BI in 1 day or 20 days? If somebody tells you, I will teach you Power BI for 99 rupees for 1 hour, will it happen? So nothing can happen within 1 hour. Nothing can happen within 5 days, right? So you cannot become a proficient skilled guy within 1 or 2 months. So I'm stressing you, minimum 3 to 6 months time you need to give me. If you don't have a time, I cannot do anything for you. That you need to decide on your own, right? You cannot learn anything within a month's time, 1 or 2 months. You have to have enough time, minimum 3 months to attend daily live classes. 1 hour live class will be there. Minimum 2 to 3 hours of practice you need to do at your home, right? You need to have one laptop, internet connectivity. If you have any doubts anytime, always I will be with you. I'll be giving my direct number. If you have any questions anytime, you will be able to call me. You will be able to talk to me on this number. Either one-to-one clarification you wanted to have, directly call me. You need not call my office number. This is my direct number, sir. This is the doubt I have. Can I get a job? Or this is the, I'm watching your videos. I'm stuck here. Can I get the lab support? Yes, if I'm in the class, I cannot reply, but after the class, I will be able to ping you and I will be able to connect one to one and give you complete doubts, clarifications, right? If you don't have a time to attend morning classes, nothing to worry, right? You take the videos of these daily recorded lectures, and in the evening, whenever you get a time, just come home and sit and relax and practice 1 hour video. 1 hour video also you don't watch for 1 hour. You only watch 15 minutes and pause it, write down the notes. If you don't have a mood, stop it. After some time, again play 15 minutes of the video, you watch. And you increase the speed, 1.5x speed you can increase, watch it and write down the notes. After some time, again watch it. Like that, 1 hour video, you need to break it, 15 minutes only watch it, write down the notes. Always carry pen and paper and take the phone and watch the video, write down the notes. So like that, 1 hour video, you can just break it and write down the notes. You will be able to complete anything with a simple trick. Not saying I don't have a time, I'm working here, I'm working there. My own cousin sister, she was 2014 passed out. That girl cracked a job, BCom MBA background. She always tells me, brother, I don't have a time morning. Kids are there, my in-laws are there. So don't get the time in the morning. Midnight 10:30 she gets time. 10:30 to 11:30 in the night she will be preparing. And she got three offer letters. 2014 BCom and 2016 MBA, and 10 years, almost, got married and worked for 2 3 years in HR and earning only 20,000 rupees job. Now she got a job in Emphasis with a 12 lakhs, 15 lakh salary package. I think she got it now in Emphasis Hyderabad. So now tell me who stopped her? She doesn't have, she's a family woman. And whenever she gets to the time, she calls me. Bhaiya, I wanted to connect with you. So, if I have a clarification on this session, that's it. So videos we are going to be providing. So the course videos will be there. Daily videos we're going to be uploading, and you can watch them. You can just take them. You can just connect with me if you have any one-to-one clarifications. Nothing can stop you. Your age, your qualification, BA, BCom, BSc, BTech, mechanical, distance education. You have a age background, this background, nothing to worry. Only thing you need to have, do I have the proper knowledge or not? Skill, do you have or not? Right? So you should not listen to anybody. People will say, you pay me 2 lakhs, you pay me 3 lakhs, I'll give you a job. I'll teach you Power BI any course for just 20 days. 5 days of SQL means you should not, join those companies. I'm telling you. Right? Guys, I have given you this form. You need to fill this form. So this link I have given you in the chat window. So try to fill the form and you will be able to get daily recorded videos. That is one advantage. And the second advantage, when you fill the form, you can get discount in the total price. The payment details, the price details, and discounts will be given on demo number 3. You will be able to call our numbers. They will be able to give you the price details, but not today, after the demo number 3. Clear? So the course validity for the 6 months, right? Anybody can learn. So you can call me anytime if you have one-to-one career counseling classes. And we have a couple of opportunities in the IT industry for the non-IT people, right? So Sham Kumar also recently got an offer. Is my ex-student. He got 20 lakh salary package with Smart Folks Hyderabad. This is just 20 days back, right? As a data analyst. And Harsha got an offer. He was my ex-student. He got the new offer with 35 lakhs with Hyderabad Accenture. This is month of September 5th. He joined in Accenture in Hyderabad as a data analyst. All these are new offers. All these guys are earning, less salary or little salary earlier. Kaushik Mitra from BCom student from Kolkata. He was earning only 22 lakhs earlier. After that, he got an offer with 8 lakhs as a data analyst. Now he got 16 and 19 lakhs, two packages. Last month, I've recorded his success story in my YouTube channel, Bhaskar Jogi. You can just, see Kaushik Mitra's story in that. BCom student earning only 20,000 rupees per month before joining me. Right? So 2 lakhs to 8 lakhs, 8 lakhs to 16 and 19 lakhs. He got it. He got a job in, I think, Adidas. Okay, Adidas is the company selected him as a data analyst from become a call center executive student profile, Kolkata, right? So what is BA? What is the data analytics? What is the data science? What is the data engineering? What is the cloud technologies? What is Azure? What is AWS? All these technical things we'll be talking about it. How is the job market in India? As of now, it is a fantastic market in India. What is the eligibility to get IT job today? Age is not a problem. Qualification is not a problem. Distance education is not a problem. You have a gap in your education, not a problem. Your age is 40, 45, not a problem. You don't have any experience, not a problem. Or you have a experience in the IT, non-IT industry, not a problem. You have a PF account, have a, not a problem. If you don't have a PF account, not a problem. But if you don't have a proper mentor, you have a problem. If you don't have a proper skill, you have a problem. If you're learning something from YouTube, not having proper mentor, it is the biggest problem. If you're following everybody in your life, means that is also biggest problem, because in YouTube many people will say thousands of things. If you're following everybody, that is the biggest problem for everybody today. You should have a proper mentor, because YouTube cannot cure you anything. If you have a cancer, if you open YouTube, YouTube can give you thousands of things, but can you cure? You cannot. You need to go to Apollo Hospital, or if you need to go to one cancer doctor. He can help you with the treatment. So not with your uncle's suggestions, not with your close friend suggestions. You cannot cure your cancer like that. If you want to get a job, you cannot go to the YouTube and watch everybody's video there, right? You need to suggest one mentor. If anybody is asking, saying that I will teach you Power BI in for 20 days and give me 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs, I can give you a job. Means you should be away from those people. Many people from your family only, they'll say, pay me 2 lakhs, pay me 3 lakhs. Your close friends will tell you, pay me 1 lakh, 1.5 lakh. Many my ex-students told me, sir, my own close relative told me to pay 2 lakhs. I paid because I trust him. Today, that guy is not responding him. Today he's saying, you don't have any proper skills. How can I help you? I paid 2 lakhs. I got a job. I lost the job. He's telling, you don't have any skills. I have given you the job. So that is how he's telling me, sir. Now I have realized that it is not the qualification, not the PG or the PhD, sir. I have realized I need to have the proper skill, not YouTube, things. I need to learn from the proper gurus. Clear? So that is the reason many people lose their money, lose their time. Again, they'll come back, they'll join the daily classes. Daily 1 hour. What is the duration for the course? 3 months. Daily how many days? Only 1 hour. And it will be Monday to Friday classes. Clear? I'll be able to talk about all this. What is the data analytics, business intelligence, or BI? All of them will talk. What is the cloud? Everything a layman can understand in this technologies. I will be able to discuss one by one. Right? So remember, you cannot improve what you do not measure, right? Even though you have very good skills, but if you don't have proper, if you don't analyze the existing stuff, you will not be able to improve. So decision making means, and what is the decision making? You need to understand the existing. This I'm earning only 20,000 rupees. How do you earn 1 lakh per month? What skills I need to learn? Because I'm a non-IT guy, I'm having 15 years of gap. I cannot, I have a coding issue. I cannot code it. So, what are the opportunities that you have? So instead of looking out, you talk to us, and we will be able to give you proper mentoring. Because end of the day, mentor is important, right? If you don't have a proper mentor, you lose lot of opportunities. If you learn Power BI elsewhere, you cannot get a job. You will be able to learn some course, but they cannot give you end-to-end support. We are going to be giving you end-to-end support. So I'm having almost 25 years of experience. I've trained thousands of people, lakhs of people all over the world. I was working with a big MNCs like Unilever, Infosys, Accenture, and last company was Microsoft. I trained a lot of people in the corporate world. So I have given a lot of corporate trainings in Infosys, Mysore, Infosys, Bangalore, Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, and I have given a lot of trainings in Cognizant, right? And after that, I was working as a team lead, a manager, technical lead, senior software engineer. completely into SQL and BI stack, business intelligence, data analytics stack, 25 years. And I groomed and shared my knowledge with many people because I'm, love teaching. I'm passionate about teaching. That is the reason I quit. I came here. I'm sharing the knowledge with the next generation people, right? So that is my profile guide. So anybody can get into IT today. Age is just a number. At the age of 40 also you can come. At the age of 40 for one housewife from US, her name is Usha. She was a housewife at almost 20 years. At the age of 44, she got a job. She was a botany zoology student 20 years ago. She joined online course with me. She cracked the job last year, then 2 years back at the age of 44. She must be 46 today. Now she is earning 1.5 lakhs USD in USA. Her story also I have recorded, uploaded in my Bhaskar Jogi YouTube channel. You can just listen to her. She is earning 1.2 crore Indian currency. At the age of 44, she decided and wanted to get into IT. And in India also, you have one guy, 36, Akshay, and one more guy at the age of 42. That guy got a job at the 47. One more guy got a job with a 17 lakh salary package in in Bangalore. So age gap, no problem. Qualification, not a problem. Job opportunities and salary expectation in India and abroad. I told you, in abroad you will get a minimum basic salary 60K per annum up to 150K, 200K per annum. You can get it approximately 1.5 crore to 2 crore per annum salary. You can get it in abroad, Canada, US, and in India. Minimum salary package, if you keep 3 years of experience, you can get a minimum 8 lakhs to 20 lakh salary package. You can get it. I have people who kept only 3.5. Akshay got 12, 16, 21, and 30 lakhs package at at the age of 35. He showcased only 3.5 to 4 years of experience. That is the salary packages in India. Duration of the course will be 3 months. Free projects and materials are included in this. And daily videos are going to be recording and will be uploading in the portal. You will be able to get daily recorded videos. If you miss any class, you should not be worried at all. You will be able to get daily recorded videos. Monday to Friday, we'll have classes. Saturday and Sunday, we don't have any classes. Remember that point. Daily 1 hour class will be there. CV and interview preparation is included in this price, no extra cost at all. And job placement assistance also we can give you. Only thing is that I cannot take your proxies. I cannot crack your interview. You have to crack your interview. Clear? I will give you whatever you need. I can give you. You need knowledge. I can give you. You need projects. I can give you. You need real-time projects. I can give you, and you will be doing it with your hand. I will be explaining. I'll give you interview questions. Everything you ask me, I'll give you. But your job, you need to crack it. Don't follow the brokers. They will take your money. Nothing is going to work. Am I clear? So job placement assistance for the placement, whatever you need, I can give you project, CV preparation, or you need something else, I can give you. But your interview, you must be able to crack. You fail minimum 5 to 7 rounds of interview. Eighth round will be yours. Many people told me, Akshay told me, sir, 99% of the interview questions are from your syllabus, sir, because I've cracked now 4, 5 offer letters. Now everything is from your topic only. Now I got 30 lakh salary package today because of your topic. People are not following your subject. Even I did not follow your subject. But when the interviewer asking, when I'm coming back and opening your videos, you already told that question. It is an interview question. So I revised 3 to 4 times. Now I'm able to crack 30 lakhs salary because of your knowledge only. So that is what. So this kind of a knowledge you will not be able to get it elsewhere. That is for sure. You can ask anybody. So any graduate, any non-IT, IT professional can get into this. Any age, any teachers or sales professionals, housewives, anybody can get into this. So BA, BCom, B Pharmacy, M Pharmacy, right? So any qualification, one BA guy, that too distance education guy got 2 offer letters. His name is Srinivas. He does not have, not even after 10th class. He does not do any +2. Directly, he has done his BA from that to BR Open University. He has become a data analyst in Ahmedabad today. He got first offer letter with 8 lakhs, one more offer with 12 lakhs. Now, currently, this guy is working in Bangalore, 16 lakhs, and 2 years back. So, this guy, after 10th class, in 2010, he has done his 10th class, and 2015, 5 years of gap, he has done his BA, that to distance education. That guy is a 16 lakhs salary guy. His name is Srinivas, and currently he's working for Bangalore. He got two offers, 8 and 12 lakhs in Ahmedabad company after this course in 2021. Right now, tell me who stopped the learning. You only stop at the learning by playing recession is going on. My friend told me no opportunities in the IT industry. Now my cousin telling me don't do this. My one of my richest, closest, my friend is telling me now everywhere people are losing their jobs. So this kind of a stories you can tell, enough stories you can tell entire your life, then you get retired at the age of 60 only by blaming others. But other people, they'll do something. They'll fail, they'll come, they'll take the help of the good mentors, they will be able to crack the interviews, they can get it. So for them also recession, for you also recession, for you only blaming others, saying that I don't have this, I have this. But these people are able to crack the interviews without any problems, because recession you cannot control, which you cannot control, why you worried about it? What you can control, learning is your control. Unlearning is even more important today. Sir, I have one skill, but with that skill you are not able to get a good job. You have to unlearn that and relearn. For example, today, if I teach C and C++, can I get a market? You cannot. So I need to unlearn C and C++ today. I have to learn new things today, learn Python today, or learn SQL today, learn data analytics today, learn data engineering today, learn data science today. These kind of skills you need to have with a proper mentor. You cannot say, I'm having 10 years of insurance gap. With that insurance, insurance knowledge, what is the job market you have? 20, 30,000 rupees job. So you have to unlearn that insurance, and you need to relearn this kind of a courses, because this kind of a courses completely meant for BCom, MBA people, BTech civil engineering guys, or BA, BSc, any housewives can learn data analytics very, very easily. Clear? So you should not be in the bad track or the false track. If somebody says I can give you a job, I have a M Pharmacy PhD girl. She has done her PhD. She told me, sir, I went to one pharma company. They're ready to pay only 10K stipend. After that, they told me 20K only. Next 1 or 2 years, I cannot get more than 20, 30K. Now she has resigned. She got a job in IT company 2 years back. Right? M Pharmacy, B Pharmacy. If you're really interested, if you wanted to work with IT industry, then only you can come here. Not because of big salaries we're getting it. You need to jump, because tomorrow you should not think that, sir, I love botany, zoology means be there. Sir, I love civil engineering means you be there. Right? But if you don't love, if you don't have a proper income in the civil engineering, then you can just jump. Right? That is the point I'm wanted to discuss. So anyone can learn hard skill to get the IT job, high salary paid jobs, no coding required, 60 hours daily 1 hour class, because Monday to Friday, 3 months means we are going to be having every month 20 hours classes only. 20 hours, 20 hours per month, not more than that, or maximum 22 hours. First month, second month, third month, you will be able to have October, November, December, your course gets over. Daily 1 hour live class will be there. After that, you need to watch videos, minimum 2 hours extra time you have to spend. If you're not able to attend live classes, daily videos you need to watch, and you can ask me the questions. Right? So real-time topics are going to be discussed. 90% of the interview questions are going to be covered from my topics only. 6 months validity for the course and the videos. So videos will get expired after 6 months. October, November, December, Jan, Feb, March, you can watch. If you wanted to extend the videos, if you wanted to extend the videos means some nominal portal fee you can pay, some 300 rupees you can pay, you can extend the videos for another 1 or 2 months, or maximum another 6 months you can extend by paying nominal amount, by paying only 300 rupees, 400 rupees per month. Clear? You can extend maximum 6 more months, not more than that. Clear? So daily recorded videos will be there. Even though you miss one class, you should not be worried about. Sample CVs are going to be provided. CV preparation I'm going to be doing for you. Online lab support I'm going to be giving you one-to-one. Interview questions are discussed in the class itself. Placement assistance in across India, I can support you. If you have any doubt, I have given my number already. Right? So don't hesitate. Just call me. Sir, this is the doubt I have it. Can I ask you? Why not? Because I'm giving my number only to you because you need to ask me. You can call me and you can say anything. And we are also creating one group so that you can also ask the questions. Telegram group will be created after 3 classes. People who are joining in this batch, they will be able to be part of the Telegram group. You can also ask the questions there. If you're not able to ask the questions directly, you can just call me or ping me in this WhatsApp number. So this is the error, sir, I'm getting. Can I connect with you? Yes, I will send you meeting ID. We'll connect. So we will be able to clear all the doubts. So for you, no trainer is going to be giving you this kind of a facility, right? So slow and steady wins the race, right? Take minimum 3 months time. So maximum 6 months time. I'm telling you to take it. Daily 2 to 3 hours of practice is required, and compulsorily you have to have laptop. Why about the course? Lifetime access, unlimited data sets, interview questions, sample CVs, free project assignments, flexible learning. Anytime can learn is using videos, right? Live clarifications, one-to-one clarifications we can have because I have given my direct number. What else you need? Only time, right? And payment also you can make in the installments because 3 months you will be with me. You can make 2 to 3 installments, the fee and everything. So don't worry about it, right? So first 1 and 2 months, what is it we're going to be practicing? And the third month, what is it we're going to be practicing? I will be able to talk about all of them. So data analytics is not only Power BI, SQL Server we are going to be learning, SSIS we are going to be learning for 25 hours, data warehousing we are going to be learning, SSAS we are going to be learning. All these things we are going to be learning as part of data analytics. Python is not needed. Okay. Excel is not needed. Many YouTubers are going to be telling Excel and Python. And I asked many people, do you really need, Python? Answer is Python is not needed if you want to become a data analytics using Power BI. So don't worry about Python language. Only worry about these 5 courses that you're going to be having in our module. First month, second month, we're going to be targeting on SQL and Power BI, right? Third month, right? So October, November one gets over. In the December month, I'm going to be telling you to learn SSIS 25 hours and data warehousing for 10 hours, SSAS for the 5 hours. So these are going to be included in your data analytics course in the Go Online trainings. Clear? Apart from that, you don't learn anything else. So what is SQL Server? What is a Power BI? All these things I'm going to be telling you, and you should not be worried about it. Now, let me tell you what is a data analytics means, or what is a data science means, or what is a data engineering means. Okay, let us talk about the subject now. So I wanted to say, if somebody asks you what is IT industry, okay, somebody asks you this question, IT industry stands for information technology, kada? So which is information technology. So information, how do you get it? If you wanted to get the information, you have to get the data, right? Without data, IT industry is not going to be working, right? But do you know what IT industry is going to be doing? So if anybody asks you what IT industry is going to be doing, they'll say IT industry is going to be producing software. If you say like that, it is completely wrong. IT industry is not giving you a software to work on. No, 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 no. IT industry is not producing a software. That is also no. What IT industry doing? Do you know? IT industry doing 2 things. One is called IT industry is storing your data. IT industry is storing your data. That is step number one. You should know what IT industry is doing. And ఎవరైనా అడిగితే ఏం చెప్పాలి? What IT industry is doing means IT industry is storing your data. IT industry computing your data. Only two things IT industry is going to be doing. IT industry, either it is going to be storing your data. IT industry is going to be computing your data. Computing means what? Processing. Computing means it is in simple layman understanding processing. Clear? For example, if I have two numbers, I have a 20, I have a 10, I have a 20. These are the data. I have two numbers I have. If I wanted to store the data, if I wanted to store the data, IT industry is using lot of softwares today. So small amount of data means IT industry may store data in Excel sheet. You can open Excel, you can store your data. So it is a small amount of data, megabyte of data every day. I'm going to be getting 1,000 rows, 2,000 rows. All the data I can store where I can create one Excel sheet. I can store my data. What is the size of the data? Megabyte. MB means megabyte. I can store Excel. Or I'm getting every day, let us say, GBs of data. If you wanted to store the data, IT industry is going to be using a software called SQL. When you have a gigabyte of data every month, you're getting. Think about State Bank of India. Think about LIC company. Think about Walmart company, Flipkart company, Amazon.com. They are going to be getting every month GBs of data. GBs means lakhs of transactions, millions of transactions every day Amazon is getting. When you go to Amazon, buy a product, the data Amazon is going to be storing in SQL software. Clear? So you should know how IT industry is going to be storing the data means either Amazon data may be there in SQL, or if my company data, go online trainings data, small company, my company, where is my data? In Excel. We open Excel sheet, we store your phone number, your email ID, and we are going to be storing the data. And if it is a large amount of data, banking data, insurance data, oil and marketing data, sales data, retail data, FMCG data, insurance data, banking data, or government of India data, passport size data, Aadhaar card data, all the data, large amount of data. Where is the data? SQL. Remember, right? So what is a SQL means? A go down, right? So SQL is a bigger go down. Excel is a small go down, small storeroom Excel where you can accommodate 20,000 rows, 1 lakh data you can store, right? So like that, SQL is also called as DBMS, database management system. It is also called as a RDBMS, relational database management system. Clear? How IT industry is going to be storing the data either in Excel or in SQL. SQL is also called as a database management system, or it is also called as a relational database management system. Like that, when you have some more data, if it is data size is 10 terabytes, so if the data size is more, means we are going to be storing the data into the data warehousing systems. Clear? Data small size, megabyte of data, Excel. That is step number one. Medium size data, you can go to SQL or database management. That is large size data, you can go and store in the data warehousing. I will tell you in tomorrow's class what is the data warehouse, what is SQL in detail manner. And if it is more than terabyte, petabyte of data, petabyte, zettabyte of data, this is unlimited data. That data you can store in your Hadoop today. Okay. So lot of data systems are available today to store your data in your IT industry. But after storing the data, let us understand I have these two numbers, right? Either I can store the data here, I can store the data here, I can store the data here, or I can go and store the data here. We will be able to talk about all of them in tomorrow's class. Don't worry. But after that, what I should do? I need to process the data. Processing means we need to use the computing. Computing means what? I wanted to know what is the sum of these two numbers. Sum is called a computing operation. So 10 plus 20, 30. Okay. Summing is a processing or a computing. What is the minimum? Minimum is a 10, right? What is the maximum? 20. What is the average? 15. What is the mid? What is the mode? What is the median? If you wanted to perform any of these kind of an operations, these are called arithmetical operations. So this is what is called computing means. Computer came from computing. Computing ante processing. Processing means I have a large amount of data. I wanted to know what is the minimum sales in India, what is the maximum sales in India, what is the total sales in India. Amazon company wanted to know. Clear? What is the last 20 years sales in India? What is the average profit in India last 20 years? So we are not talking about two numbers here. We are talking about a large amount of data. Now tell me, can you and me sit together? Can we do the summing operation? You know the calculator, right? Why we are going to be using calculator? Calculator cannot store the data. You're going to be feeding one by one, one by one, one by one. So you will get the total. Calculator is used. It is also computing the data, right? So computer is made up of calculator technique only, right? So what calculator is going to be doing? It is computing. Computing means processing. Kada? So now if you wanted to do calculations on the bigger numbers, means normal calculator cannot be used. You need to have a bigger systems, bigger computers. Those can be used. Now I am talking about large amount of data here. I need to compute that data. Who's going to be doing this for the processing purpose? What is it we're going to be using? We use a language. Okay. We use a language like C or C++, Java, Python, any language you use, it is going to be getting the data, processing the data, getting the data, processing the data. That is what you need to understand. Language is invented to process your data. Language cannot store your data. Remember, you cannot do two things, right? So storeroom where you can store the data. If you wanted to process the food, get the items from the storeroom, you need to light the stove and click on the oven. You need to start processing the chicken biryani and everything, right? So storeroom where raw material is available, refrigerator where raw material is available, you have to come to the kitchen and process your food. Clear? Like that, IT industry is going to be doing only two things. One is called data storing with the help of a Excel, SQL, processing the data with the help of a language, Python, Java, .NET, anything that you will be able to do. So these two basic things you need to know. So you should not say IT industry is information technology, which is producing the software. Wrong answer. IT industry storing your data, and IT industry processing your data, computing your data. Clear? For the storing, we can use Excel, or we can use SQL, or we can use data warehousing, or the last one I told you, Hadoop. Clear? So very, very big amount of data when you have, you will be able to store them in the different things. Excel you can use, SQL you can use, data warehousing you can to use, Hadoop you can use, right? If I wanted to go to supermarket to buy some vegetables, what is the distance from my house? 1.5 kilometer. How do I go? I can go by a walk, or I can go by cycle or the bike. So when the distance is less, I'm using cycle, or I can go by walk, I can take a bike and go. But I wanted to go to Vishakhapatnam, 500 kilometers from Hyderabad. Can I go by a walk? Yes, you can also go by a walk, go by a walk, or you can also take a cycle and go. But is it the right tool? Answer is no. You can go by walk to anywhere. Many people will be traveling. I have traveled 3,000 kilometers by walking. India Yatra. People will say, but right tool is not that. You cannot take a bike and go to Himalayas. You can go. Many people are going like that, but that is not the proper tool, right? So when you have a more distance, I'm going to be using, a bus or the train. Clear? So here I'm going to be using less data, Excel sheets, some more data. Size is increased. Megabyte of data, this one, GBs of data. I'm going to be using SQL. I wanted to go to Dubai. Can I go by a car or the train or the bus? No, no, no. You have to use the flight. So I need to store and terabyte of data. Can I use SQL? Answer is no. I have to use a tool called data warehousing. If I wanted to go to Dubai or London or Iran, Iraq or USA, I cannot go by a train. I need to use the flight and go. Right now, okay, I have reached USA. Now I want to go to moon or the Mars. Can I take a flight and go? No, 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 no. I need to use a rocket and go. So when the data is there in the data warehousing, you can use data warehousing. When the data size is very big amount of data, petabyte, zettabyte, yottabyte of data, very big data it is. So this called as a big data. This data you cannot store in the IT industry in a normal SQL or normal data warehousing. Normal buses, trains, cycle cannot be used. You must use a rocket. Now rocket just like your Hadoop. Clear? So these are the things you should understand. Storing the data, IT industry doing with the help of these technologies, Excel, SQL, data warehousing, Hadoop. But what is the processing? Processing means any language can be used. Clear? You can use C, C++, you can use Python, right? You can use Java, you can use anything. These languages can go here and get the data, can go here and get the data. They will be able to process this data. They will be able to perform the operations. Clear? So that is what you need to do. Data is important. So that is what is very, very important. What is a data analytics? We will talk about today, and tomorrow we'll continue further. It is also called as a business intelligence. The next one, data science. Okay. So both of them needs a data. Remember, both of them needs a data. So where is the data? As I told you, data may be there in Excel, or data may be there in SQL or database management systems, or relational database management systems, or data may be there in data warehousing systems today, or data may be in the Hadoop. So when you have a large amount of data, it is called as a big data. So this is what you need to know, right? So when you have the data, so data may be here, data may be here, data may be here, data may be here in the IT industry. But what is the data analytics? Data analytics means understanding the past. Understanding the past is called as a data analytics. So, in simple example, Amazon company data somewhere in data warehousing, maybe in SQL, maybe in Hadoop, maybe in Excel, we don't know. Amazon company wanted to understand what was my sales, what was my sales in India last 5 years. This is the question, because understanding the past is called as a business intelligence or data analytics. Okay. But what is data science, or it is also called as a artificial intelligence, it is also called as a machine learning. All of them are synonyms. So here, predict the future. Both of them needs the data, but one guy is going to be predicting your data. So Amazon company will ask you this kind of a question: what will be my sales in India next 5 years? This is a prediction question, right? So whether I will get rains in Hyderabad or not next 5 years? If yes, what is the expectation? The probability is data science. Clear? So both of them needs data may be in Excel, data may be in Hadoop, data may be in anywhere, but two different applications are giving you different kinds of an output. One guy is understanding the parts, that guy is called a data analyst or data analytics. Clear? So data analytics is the guy, he will tell you what was your sales last 10 years. You will know whether your company is doing good or bad, right? So one more data scientist or AI is going to be telling you what will be my future. Predict the future is called as a data scientist work or AI work, right? So if the AI to work or data analytics to work, what is it you need to have? Data. Remember that. Clear? So where is the data? Data may be in Excel. Data may be there in SQL. Data may be in data warehousing. Data may be there in Hadoop system. These are the only four systems that we have today in the IT industry. So you may be working with either AI. AI means what? Artificial intelligence, or BI. BI means what? Business intelligence. It is also called as a data analytics. Clear? If you wanted to work with the AI or if you wanted to work with the BI, what is that you should know? You should know how to store data. Otherwise, you will not be able to learn artificial intelligence. You will not be able to learn anything. So instead of learning any tool or the software today directly, you better have to learn SQL. That is the very important thing to learn, because Excel is a very simple tool. We are not going to be concentrating compulsorily. If you wanted to work with the IT industry, tomorrow you may be learning Java, C, C++, anything you learn, any language you learn, the data you need to know. SQL you must know. You should learn this tool. Clear? So SQL is also called as a SQL. It is also called as database management system that you need to learn. So I have a lot of blood. I have a lot of blood. Where will I store a lot of blood? Blood bank. I have a lot of gold. Where will I store a lot of gold? Gold bank. I have a lot of data. Where will I store? Data bank. Data bank means database. It is also called as SQL. Clear? SQL database means data bank. So what is a data bank? Data bank is nothing but your database management system, nothing but your SQL, or it is your RDBMS softwares. Clear? So you need to know, without SQL understanding, you should not learn data analytics or Power BI or C, C++, Java, .NET, anything you learn today. Compulsorily, that faculty will tell you, hey, end of Python, you should learn also SQL. End of AI, you should learn also SQL. End of Power BI, you should also learn SQL. So not end, we are going to be learning, Power BI. Along with the Power BI from starting, we are also going to be learning what? SQL. Clear? SQL is what? It is a database management software. SQL means a go down. You can store the data, you can get the data tank. In the tank, what you do? You keep the water, you get the water, right? So SQL is a data tank or data drum or a storage area. You will be able to store large amount of the data in a computer, right? Anybody who wanted to get into IT industry means they have to know compulsorily SQL skill. Without SQL, your data warehousing will not work, your Hadoop will not work, nothing is going to work. So SQL is backbone for your IT industry. That is what I told you, right? I stands for the information technology. When you have the data, so this data somebody will be able to store, right? Somebody is going to be working on this data, get the data, clean the data, and store the data in this drums or the tanks. This guy is called a data engineer. So you have data engineering. One more, topic everybody is learning today. Data engineering means get the data, clean the data, store the data either in SQL or in data warehousing or in Hadoop. Tomorrow I will be able to talk about all of them in detail so that you can understand in the clear manner. Okay. So anybody is getting the data, cleaning the data, storing the data. That guy is called as a data engineer. On this data, one guy is understanding the past, that is called as data analytics. One more guy is doing what is called as a predictions on this data. That guy is called AI guy, your ML guy. So today, Chat GPT is an application It is AI application, right? So we are using a chart GPT, right? So where is the chart GPT data? It is a very big data. So do you know from where it is getting the data? Chart GPT is getting the data from Hadoop only. So this is the very, very big social media data, all the structured, unstructured, lot of data, it is there. So all the data, so today you will be able to get from where Chart GPT is getting all the data from this software today. So somebody has to keep this ready, right? Who's going to be working on this? This guy is called a data engineer. For example, I wanted to prepare a chicken biryani for 1,000 people. Somebody has to get the vegetables, somebody has to get the rice, somebody has to get the chicken, somebody has to get the spices, somebody has to clean the vegetables, cut the vegetables, you know, fry the spices and get the milk, prepare the curd and everything. They need to get the raw material and they need to clean the vegetables and chicken, right? So if everything is ready, tomorrow chef is going to be coming at morning 7 o'clock. He will be preparing the biryani for 1,000 people within 4 hours. But what will be the difficult activity? Going to the shop, buying the vegetables, going to the market, getting the chicken, cleaning the chicken. 1,000 kg of chicken I need to clean, and hundreds of vegetables are I need to cut, I need to clean them, I need to peel them. This work is heavy, so anybody can prepare a AI or BI application tomorrow when the raw material is available. What is raw material? Data. But who's going to be going and getting the data, cleaning the data, storing the data? There is a guy called data engineer. Clear? Even data engineer, if you wanted to become, you have to know SQL data warehousing and it is a little bit coding, right? So BI where there is no coding, data analytics where no coding. So no coding, that is the reason I'm strongly recommending. And the data engineer, you have moderate coding. You need should know Python and everything here. So moderate coding, it is a coding job, right? So AI, artificial intelligence, it is much more coding, heavy coding, and it is completely complex activity. So don't jump into AI today. It is a complex. So very, very complex and much more coding you should know, right? I strongly recommend it to go into BI or data analytics because no coding and easy, you can complete within 3 months, right? This is also, you can complete within 3 months. I'm going to be teaching this course and this course if you wanted to join. And but AI will be 18 months course, not a 1 day course. It is 18 months course and very more complex and more coding, right? So that is the reason I'm strongly recommending you to learn what data analytics. So that is the no coding. It is also called as business intelligence. Within 3 months, you can complete. Or data engineering. You can also complete within 3 months duration, but it is a bit coding and complex. The third one, data science or artificial intelligence. So this will be 18 months course and more complex. Don't tell me my friend told me to learn this and my brother told me to learn this. You can learn, but very, very complex. You need to invest a minimum 3 to 4 lakhs to get the good tutor. Right. Within 10, 20,000 rupees courses, you cannot just, understand. So don't go into this. Either you can go into data analytics or the data engineering. Clear? So everywhere, all these things, the common is you should know what is SQL, what is the data warehousing, all of them I will be able to talk about in the tomorrow's class. Okay. So what is SQL? What is the data warehousing? I will be able to talk. And in tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you can understand very, very easily as a layman point of view. I'm going to be teaching. So hope you like the class. And today I spoken about what is a data analytics, what is the data engineering, why data analytics is important for IT, for any business to use, why data science is important any business to use. So these two questions can be answered in tomorrow's class and day after tomorrow. So this is the demo number one. Hope you have enjoyed it. And tomorrow we'll continue with the same timing, with the same meeting ID tomorrow, day after tomorrow. You will understand all these things in detail. More technical things are going to come in tomorrow's class as well, but I'll make it very, very simple. Thank you so much, guys. And if you have any questions, You can ask me. In tomorrow's class, I can tell you what is the laptop configuration you need to have it. If you don't have a laptop, you need to buy one laptop within 10 days of time. So that software and everything I can give you. I'll show you how to install the softwares and everything. So without a laptop, we cannot run the show. Clear? Chalo guys. Thank you so much. Tomorrow will be the second day demo.